If I've done things correctly, the link should take you to the first part of this video series, which was called a part replacement for the baseboard of my garden railway. I've gone about as far as I'm prepared to go on relaying this baseboard and the track that goes with it. I can't hand on heart say it's finished, because I never finish anything. But I'm going to stop because I need to get back to some real work, model engineering. So we got this bush job over the railway. I think Angela said it's a clematis that she put in. I don't know. I've got other words for it, but they're not suitable for a public audience on YouTube. And the problem is, it just makes an unholy mess. I spend hours picking stuff up, only to come out to find that it's all come back. So Angela said, never short of ideas, why don't you use your compressor to blow it all away? Well, I've dug the little compressor out. It's not really portable, but I've dug it out and brought it over, because the airline is nowhere near long enough to reach here by itself from the workshop, because it wasn't intended to do that. And I suppose it sort of works, although half the time it just seems to be blowing everything back from where it came. Oh my dear. Them has caused the trouble, need to be brought in to sort it out. And it This recently fledged little baby bird got so excited by the track cleaning that it's had to take to the drink. The 460 Grange was the last loco I ran before I decided to repair the baseboard to my railway. And in spite of my lack of enthusiasm today, and the fact that the weather's looking decidedly iffy, I'll try and make the effort to give Grange the first run with a small rake of BR Mark 1 carriages on the relayed baseboard. We'll see what happens. I think my lack of enthusiasm is fully justified. I've just got all the stuff out and it started to rain, so I've got to get it all back in. Oh my neck. Like I said, it's decided to rain. Just a monsoon shower. Well, it's the day after yesterday, if that makes any sense. It's a bit windy, but at this time it's not raining. So I'm going to have another go at testing the outer track with this Grange locomotive. Not a good start. I forgot I left a carriage on the track. Oh my god. Try again. Hopefully no more obstructions on the track. I've got 5 BR Mark 1s in tow. There's another one in the shed, but I can't be bothered to get it out. Right, I've closed the water pump, so the boiler is now getting a full charge of water to top it up, which unquestionably will slow the loco down a bit. But we're still going. And because I'm an idiot, and it's so long since I've run this, I didn't actually close the water bypass. I closed the fuel cock because I got a bit confused. Anyway, spotted me mistake, opened up the fuel tap and closed the water bypass. Dear oh dear oh dear. Due to my incompetent handling, the train's not running very well, but it is running. I'm testing out the 32mm gauge track using this little battery powered engine. And the point about it is that both the engine and the little trailer it's pulling have got treads on the wheels that are not anywhere near as wide as some of the other proprietary stuff. And so the theory is, if this one will go around this track, all the other stuff I've got will go round without derailing. I had a little bit of trouble with this one in the beginning where it was derailing, dropping down between the rails because the gauge was a little bit wide at one place. But I've sorted that out and I now think we're alright. It's quite a good test vehicle really, because it doesn't weigh very much. Narrow tyres on the wheels, so if there's anything really major, it comes off the track as quick as you look at it. So I think we're doing alright. That's it then. I consider my track and baseboard to be recommissioned and fit for service for hopefully a few more years yet. Fingers crossed. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you didn't mind me showing one or two of the mistakes I made in the running of the trains to check this track out. If you liked it, perhaps you could please subscribe and watch out for the next instalment of whatever it is I decide to do.